Foam, concrete, lightweight, insulating. Versatile, but why is it always so elusive? Every time you mix it, the results seem to be different. Today, we're going to reveal the secrets of perfect foam concrete so you can say goodbye to inconsistency and master the predictable perfect formula. Part 1. Why is foam concrete so rebellious? Traditional concrete rules don't work here. Foam concrete's lightweight and porous structure means it requires completely different proportions and techniques. The wrong foaming, mixing, or curing can lead to lack of strength, cracking, or caving. Part 2. Ingredient decoding. The science of perfect proportioning. The key is in the proportioning. Cement provides strength, sand stabilizes the structure, and the blowing agent is the real magician. Protein blowing agents natural are more stable and suitable for demanding projects. Synthetic blowing agents are cheaper but more difficult to control. The particle size of the aggregate is also critical. Too coarse, decreased strength. Too fine, affects foam uniformity. Find the balance for optimal texture and load-bearing capacity. Part 3. The foam phenomenon, the art of foaming. Foaming is central. Quality foam should resemble fine cream, while poor quality foam will collapse quickly or be unevenly distributed. If your foam is collapsing, check foaming agent concentration and water quality. Uneven bubbles could be a mixing speed or equipment problem. Part 4. Stirring masterclass. The sequence makes the difference. Wrong order and everything is ruined. Mix the cement paste first, then gently mix in the foam. Over-mixing. Foam breaks and concrete softens. Under-mixing. Uneven material strength plummets. Tools are important. Low-speed mixers are better for foam concrete. High-speed mixing will only damage the structure. Part 5. Curing, the hidden key to strength. Curing determines final strength. Ideal environment. Humidity above 70%. Avoid direct sunlight. Curing too fast. Surface cracking, too slow. Insufficient strength, the secret sweet spot. Keep it moist for the first 7 days and dry it slowly. After that, to unlock its maximum potential. Foam concrete no longer depends on luck. Master proportioning, foaming, mixing and curing, and you get perfect results every time. Like this video. Like and subscribe for more building material science tips. Share your foam concrete challenges in the comments section. We got you covered.